Here I'm having a look at the Magbeat Speaker, and very excited to be looking at this. As you can see, there it is just there, lovely packaging as well. Now we've got the graphite Magbeat here as well. As you can see just there, it comes in 3 different colors, titanium and graphite as well. So here is a Magbeat speaker. We're very excited to be looking at this lovely portable speaker. Lovely packaging to start with, and if we turn it over, there is the speaker at the back. So this is graphite speaker. It also comes in midnight and titanium as well, and it feels nice and light as well, which kind of shows the portability of it. So let's go and open it up. Now, as you said, we're actually doing this live as we're speaking to us, so you guys can see how it works. So we open it up. So there you go. So there's a speaker just there. Now, doesn't that look absolutely fantastic? We'll go straight into the speaker first. So there it is there. Look at that lovely graphite design. Now this can stick to the back of your phone as well. So I'll show you guys how that works straight away. So you get it and you see like that. It just literally sticks to the back of your phone just like that. So it's very, very good for portable music. You've got the USB-C charging cable there. Now that's strong as well. It fits very, very well. Now this speaker itself has adaptive noise cancellation, transparency mode. It's got a 40mm driver in there, would you believe? Electro-Dynamic driver with neodymium magnets as well, which is great. So how do we turn it on? Well, to start with, you just go down there and you press the button there to turn it on, and I'll switch it on just then. And you could hear that music coming just then. And look at the lovely LED lighting around the edges on there. Isn't that beautiful? You can use that to change tracks, to move tracks up and down. I'm going to put this down, just have a look at what else comes in the box. So we've got the packet there. You've also got the USB-C charging cable as well, just there. So nice, simple setup, and you also got the instruction booklet just there for how to use it. So how easy is it to pair? Well, you get your phone out and you pair it. So as you get my phone, press pair, and it pairs automatically, just like that. So simple. So there it is just there. Isn't that beautiful? Now it's also got 12 hours battery life in the actual speaker itself. It's made with CNC aluminium, and it's IP53, dust and waterproof as well. It takes about 2 hours to charge, and again 12 hours battery life with 50% volume and the RGB lighting off. So let's go play some music now and listen to how it sounds. So I'm going to put it on the back of my phone and play some music.